Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Kulwant Bisht. Sir, I belong to district Kinnaur of Himachal Pradesh. Sir, I have done my graduation from DAV Chandigarh, and this is, sir, my second attempt in CAPF.
Okay. What are your hobbies and interests?
Sir, my hobbies are, sir, playing football and watching football, and sir, trekking, traveling, sir, cooking, and sir, cricket, playing cricket, and sir, these are my hobbies, sir.
Okay. What is the distance between the wickets in the cricket?
Sorry, sir, I don't know
Wicket. You
what.
play cricket.
Yes, sir.
So what is the distance between the wickets?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. You are bowler or batsman?
Sir, I was a wicketkeeper batsman, sir. Wicketkeeper batsman.
Batsman. So
Yes,
you are playing as batsman right-handed this side.
Yes, sir.
This is the bowler.
Yes, sir.
Where will be the long on?
Long on, sir.
Which side? This is the field. Just indicate the side. Long on.
Towards your mobile, sir.
Towards my mobile.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
on the straighter side, sir.
Here.
Yes,
This
sir.
side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And mid wicket?
Mid wicket, sir. Mid wicket region is, sir, towards
This is
me,
the
sir.
batsman.
Yes, sir. Towards this side, sir.
This side?
Yes, sir.
That is offside.
Sorry, sir.
And there will be third man
Third man, sir, towards this side, sir.
toward that side.
Yes, sir.
What is googly?
Sir, googly, sir. And sir, if you are off spinner, you bowl a straight one. That's called, sir, googly.
You are a BTech graduate?
No, sir. I have done BA, sir. BA, sir. Bachelor of Arts, sir.
Bachelor of Arts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where have you been to any mountain?
Yes, sir.
Which is the highest mountain in India?
Sir, Kanchenjunga.
And in the world?
Mount Everest, sir.
What is the height?
Sir, Mount Everest, sir. 8488 meters, sir.
What is the height in feet?
Sorry, sir.
What is your height?
Sir, 5 foot 7 inches.
5.7
7.
feet.
Yes, sir.
Then convert into meter. Because you told Mount Everest in meter, and height you are telling in the feet.
Yes, sir.
So can we come to 1 unit? Style of speaking should be 1.
Yes, sir. I agree, sir. But I don't know, sir. I won't be able.
What is the conversion factor with 1 meter is how many feet?
Don't know, sir. Sorry,
What is
sir.
the highest climb you have done so far? Which mountain? Where? Which hill station?
Sir, in Kinnaur Kailash, sir.
Height?
Sir, 6,800 meters, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about Chandrayaan.
Chandrayaan, sir. Sir, it was related to the, sir, mission in, sir, that was unsuccessful, sir, due to some failure. Sir,
What is the name of Sahasra Seema? You have given choice as ITBP.
yes, sir.
Region?
Sir,
What is the region to give choice as ITBP?
reason, sir. Sir, sir, first of all, sir, adventure. First reason is, sir, adventure, and secondly, sir, I belong to a place where the deputation of ITBP is much more, and from childhood, sir, since my childhood, I have seen ITBP working there, and sir, thirdly, sir, I'm bit of familiar with the hilly terrain and the mountainous region where ITBP is deployed, and sir, that's why, sir, I think I'll prefer ITBP.
Yeah. Okay. Which is the best achievement in your life so far?
Sir, it was in 2016. Sir, I had an issue in my family, sir, and due to, sir, due to one accident, sir, and at that time, sir, I was very able to support my family emotionally, and sir, and that was something that I think I achieved at that moment.
Between your parents
Yes, sir.
father and mother, who has been more, affiliated to you and have supported you, or you have got influence in grooming?
Sir, so both the parents had equal part in my development,
Which
sir.
teacher you didn't like in your school?
Sir, Shastri sir.
Why?
Because, sir, I was not able to understand the Sanskrit language, sir. Sanskrit, sir. So it was very difficult for me to understand that, sir.
What is the ideology of BJP and Congress, and which one you prefer? Or just tell me, between the BJP and Congress, which party will you choose to vote?
Sir, I'll choose Congress, sir.
Why?
Sir, because of the liberal ideology towards the current scenario, what we are seeing from the last 10 years, 7 odd years. So BJP is more tending towards the rightist ideology, sir, as compared to what we have seen in Congress, sir. They have been liberal, and they
What's happening in J&K with Raghubar Mukti Said, last chief minister, doing some activity, saying something. What's happening recently in last 1 or 2 days in Jammu in Kashmir?
Pardon, sir.
In Kashmir, what is the current news of the local parties saying something, doing something? What is it? Are you currently aware
Yes,
of
sir.
the news of
Yes,
the
sir.
Kashmir?
Yes, sir. Sir, they are uniting towards to protest against the abrogation of the Article 370, and they are in news for that thing only, sir. And yes,
So what have they done recently? A statement has been given by the ex-chief minister, and they have formed something which is likely to have its own, strategic, or maybe local issues to be raised in a common manner. If you are aware, say otherwise.
Sorry, sir.
Proceed.
Sorry,
How
sir.
is the Ladakh is being governed presently? Ladakh.
Ladakh has become a union territory, sir. And sir,
Where is Leo Garcia?
sorry, sir.
Does France have any island in Indian Ocean? I'm asking you in a context of
Yes, sir,
time,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
because a lot of things are happening in Indian
Yes, sir.
Ocean.
Yes, sir. France do have a island, but I am not able to recall the name, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
How is India and Malay relationship?
India and sir.
Maldives.
Sir, it has been a good relationship between them, sir. But in recent years, sir, they have been more tendency to work with China, sir. And that's the thing. The China's influence is increasing in our neighborhood countries, and it has influenced the Maldives too, sir.
Do you recall any operation undertaken by India in Maldives many years back?
Sorry, sir.
That comes in Indo-Maldives relation. Whenever somebody asks, there is one operation which is always discussed, which was done at a major military level, wherein we try to save a government and do something for the country. It's one of the major operations India has taken in the littoral waters. What is the strategic importance of Andaman Nicobar Island for India?
Sir, it is a strategic point, sir, in a Indian Ocean, sir, and to have a influence in the Indian Ocean against any enemy, sir. It is a strategic location in military wise also, sir. This is.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
IPL is right now going on.
Yes, sir.
Do you like IPL?
Yes, sir.
Which
Fine.
team do you support?
Sir, not at such, sir, but I like to watch Rohit Sharma back. I like to watch Rohit Sharma bat, sir, in Mumbai Indians, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me about major social issues in Himachal Pradesh.
Sir, the issue in Himachal Pradesh, major issue in Himachal Pradesh is the lack of the sustainable development in relation to, sir, large number of hydroelectricity projects are being made that are causing, sir, dryness in the region. Many, sir, natural source of waters, like the natural springs, have been dried up.
I have asked the social issues, not the environmental issues.
Social issues, sir. Sorry, sir.
हिमाचल में सोशल इशूज है ही नहीं है, सब कुछ इसमें चल रहा है.
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं होगा सर.
Okay,
But I am not, sir.
you are not aware.
Yes, sir.
But you are here as a Group A officer. Okay, you belong from district Kinnaur.
Yes, sir.
Why Kinnaur is famous?
Sir, Kinnaur is famous for, sir, apple, sir.
What is the specialty of Kinnaur apples?
Sir, specialty, sir,
Okay, tell me some varieties of the apples.
sir, royal apple, sir, golden royal apple, sir, golden apple, and sir, red apple and Richard apple.
Okay, how Kashmiri apples are different from the Himachal's apples?
Sir, Himachal apples are more crispier than the Kashmiri apples, sir, because of the geographical location, and sir, the fertility of the conditions, the fertility of the soil and the
प्रोडक्शन किसका ज़्यादा है, कश्मीर का या हिमाचल का?
हिमाचल का, सर.
क्यों?
क्योंकि सर
आप जियोग्राफी की स्टूडेंट हो?
हाँ जी सर.
आप जियोग्राफी की स्टूडेंट हो?
हाँ जी सर.
आप बताइए.
सर, हिमाचल में, सर, मैक्सिमम लोग, जो 2-3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट के मैक्सिमम लोग हैं, वो, सर, सेब पे ही निर्भर है, सर, और मैक्सिमम प्लांटेशन, सर, सेब की ही करते हैं वो लोग. तो सर, एक रीज़न ये भी है कि वहाँ पर ज़्यादा है, और सर फेवरेबल कंडीशंस भी है वहाँ पर सेब के लिए, जो हाइट है, जो नेचुरल क्लाइमेट है.
कोई 5 कंडीशन बताइए तो सेब की एग्रीकल्चर जरूरी है.
सर, एक तो, सर, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट चाहिए होता है, सर, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, स्पेशली इन विंटर्स, और सर हाइट चाहिए होता है, सर, एक पर्टिकुलर हाइट चाहिए होता है सेब की ग्रोथ के लिए, और सर रेनफॉल भी इतनी नहीं चाहिए होती है, एवरेज रेनफॉल चाहिए होती है, सर. और सर
अच्छा, एग्रीकल्चर,
यस सर.
वो हिमाचल की इकोनॉमी में
हाँ जी सर.
कितना परसेंटेज रखता है? एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर है,
हाँ जी सर.
वो हिमाचल की इकोनॉमी में कितना परसेंटेज है?
सर, एग्जैक्ट परसेंटेज तो मैं बता नहीं पाऊँगा, सर, पर सर काफ़ी रखता है, सर.
काफ़ी हद तक नहीं चलता.
जी,
आप
सर.
ये बताइए कि हिमाचल की मेजर एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स क्या है?
सर, एक तो एप्पल्स ही है जो मेजर है, सर, और सर इसके अलावा, सर, वेजिटेबल्स ज़्यादा होते हैं हिमाचल में. सर, कुछ एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, जैसे सोलन डिस्ट्रिक्ट हो
मुझे
गया.
वो नहीं है, मुझे क्रक्स चाहिए जो कि इंडिया लेवल पे फेमस है कि यस हिमाचल फर्स्ट और सेकंड इन दिस प्रोडक्शन, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इन दिस, ऐसे चाहिए. ऐसी सब्जियां हर जगह होती हैं.
हाँ जी सर.
और सब्जी में वेस्ट बंगाल और यूपी है.
सर, मशरूम, सर.
मशरूम है.
यस सर.
ओके. और
मशरूम है सर, और सर ज़ीरा है सर, ज़ीरा।
जीरा।
हाँ जी सर, काला ज़ीरा सर, जिसको सर GI टैग भी मिला हुआ है, GI टैग भी मिला हुआ है सर।
Okay.
हाँ सर, और सर इतना ही याद है।
Okay, so your formal interview is over. I will call you later.
ठीक है सर।